can't believe it's already February. This Sunday, February 8th, we're going to have 720 Cobblestone open from 2 to 4. So don't miss it because time is flying. It's a 1-story, 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths and a half bath. I love that it's a brick, easy upkeep exterior. Your parking is in the rear. We'll look at the back of the house later. The cut glass front door with the side panels lets a lot of natural light in. You have a very spacious dining room. We'll walk on into the den, but I want to just mention a study or 4th bedroom. This is a great entertaining house. This living room has a cozy fireplace, the cathedral ceiling. You do have a wet bar and a sunroom. Just a great entertaining house. And those are Pella windows, and you'll have other Pella windows in the house. Lets a lot of natural light in. Again, you have a lot of natural light with so many closets for storage. We have the door that will go out to the rear parking, carport, carport. A refrigerator and kind of bar area. There is a real bar too, that has a wine cooler that we'll see. Your well-equipped kitchen, it does have 2 ovens with convection, your range, double sink and dishwasher, oodles, lots of cabinet space, and your breakfast area. The primary bedroom, and I forgot to tell you, we have new carpet in all of the bedrooms and plantation shutters throughout most of the house. The primary bath has his and her sink with the natural stone, a remodeled, the bathroom is remodeled, nice walk-in shower and a separate tub. You do have a his and her walk-in closet, which is very nice. What a comfortable backyard. It's fully fenced for big dog or little dog because it has that screening. You have a wonderful patio area and a storage building that can also be a workshop. The 2-car carport would be a great area for entertaining for parties, outdoor parties. You do have a 3rd parking pad over there that accommodates an RV. I'm ready to party. Come join me on this patio.